Have you recently had your home inspected or been in your basement and found that you have cracks or bowing walls? If so, carbon fiber straps might be right for you. Let's discuss it further. Hi, I'm Craig. I'm a project manager with AccuLevel. Let's talk a little bit more about carbon fiber straps and if they're the right fix for your bowed or cracked wall. Carbon fiber straps are a great fit for foundation walls that are starting to see some small hairline cracks or cracks in bowing that could be no more than 2 inches. When we don't want to use carbon fiber straps is when it is more than 2 inches. In that instance, we want to use something called wall anchors. Carbon fiber straps are a great product that AccuLevel's been using for years. Not all carbon fiber straps are the same. The carbon fiber straps that we use from Fortress Stabilizing Systems are straps that are woven together, Kevlar carbon. With these kinds of straps, it makes it easier to epoxy them to the wall. Once your carbon fiber strap is epoxied to the wall, we use anchors on both above and below. The anchor that it's below is anchored into your basement floor. The anchor that is used above is tied into either your sill plate or your band board. Your band board is the board that is running perpendicular to all your joists. So if your wall is only bowing out 2 inches or less, or you see some hairline cracks in your basement wall, then carbon fiber straps might be the right solution for you. If not, please feel free to give AccuLevel a call and we can help you with diagnosing your problem better. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this explanation on carbon fiber straps will help you with making a decision for what's the right fix for your basement wall. If you want to find out more about carbon fiber straps, check out the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.